Hey, welcome to week 6 quick video here. A lot of my comments and subscribers are faced with the difficulty of I have no understanding of code. Is this class right for me? There are some things I want to point out. Number one, yes, the class is right for anyone who wants to begin learning programming. Number two, there are different types of code. This course particularly starts out heavy on C. Now, I've got some notes here, but it's not necessary to learn C before you learn Python or Ruby or whatever it is you want to learn. However, a lot of programmers out there believe it to be the foundations that you will need to better understand some of the actually easier to use code going forward. So, some notes to go over here. You don't have to learn C before learning things like Python, which is also taught in this class. C is a low-level programming language. It's commonly used for system level programming, right? So that means when you're writing operations, drivers, and embedded systems. It's a powerful language, but it's more difficult to use than some of the higher learning languages out there like Python. So if you're struggling through the first 5 weeks of this course, keep the struggle on, keep going. You may find that when you get to Python, not only does it click more because of what you struggled through C, but it's actually going to be a lot easier and you may end up loving it. So please stick out the first 5 weeks in this course. Python, on the other hand, is a high-level programming language. It's used for scripting, web development, data analysis, and machine learning, right? Python is known for simplicity and ease of use, which makes it a great language for beginners to learn, meaning that if you have no experience and you just go into Python, you could probably learn it. The CS50 course is designed to teach you C as the foundations for almost any programming language you're going to use out there. Struggle through the first 5 weeks, get to Python, struggle through Python if you don't love that. You're going to get exposed to different things throughout this course, so it's important to find out what it is you like, but stay the course, get through these classes, find out what it is you're into. If you're interested in system level programming or you want to work on low level programming tasks, that's where C is useful. If you're interested in other areas of programming like data analysis or web development, that's where Python becomes more practical for the end user. Whatever it is you're interested in doing, stick with this class, struggle through it, reach out to whatever or whoever you need to help. These classes are worth it even for people that have no experience whatsoever. That's what people like me are here for. Other thing, guys, for me, it's week 6. This video may not make sense in the future, but I just hit my first 100 subscribers, and one of my first subscribers is actually passing me in that he is beginning week 6 before these videos are out. So thanks to all of you guys for all of your support. Please continue supporting this channel so I can keep doing these things. I look forward to helping you out. You guys are awesome. We'll see you soon.